Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete all text messages on your iPhone at once. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, be sure to like the video, write your comments. And let's get on with this video. So friends, first of all you will need to open the messaging app on your iPhone. Next, in order to delete absolutely all of them at once, you'll need to tap on the three dots at the top and click Select Message. This way, you will have the option to select absolutely all the messages at once. After that, friends, you will have to click on Delete at the bottom and confirm your action. In order to delete all the messages, I'm going to show you now. As you can see, instantly all the posts that I highlighted were deleted at once. This is such a very simple and quick method, friends. You will be able to delete all text messages on your iPhone at once. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.